Math Problems, Season 3, Episode 2. Okay, class. So, you memorized everything, and, you guys have just been doing so great in the math classes, and I've just been so really impressed of you all by your work, by your commitment to this class. I could just, it's so impressive. I have one announcement. Today is going to be my last day to teach this class before I retire. No, we love you, Mr. Orange. We don't want you to retire. I know. But a new teacher is going to come, and his name is Pauline Yellows, and he'll be very nice as well. I'll introduce you to him at the end of class. So, as we add up all these numbers for math, we have the subtraction that can add it up to these math facts. And so we take the numbers. Here's my first thing I'm going to write. 2x. You guys can see it? Let me get a better board. Give me a minute. Let me get a better marker. Okay, here we go. Watch. 2x plus 33y equals 77y to the squared. This is much more trickier. We have 2x plus 33y equals 77y squared. Yes, Calvin. So we have to solve. Yes. But what do we do to solve? Anyone? Okay, watch. So, as we add the math facts of this problem, look at this math problem. Look at this math facts. Are you ready? We're ready, Mr. Orange. Okay. 2x subtracted to both sides. And then we take subtraction to 33y. Okay? We subtract 2x to 2x and 33y to 33y. But here's what's interesting. Okay? You can say how do we know this isn't even a trick? Because this is much, much more trickier. We are going to now have to write this. Because this actually might not add up. It actually might not be 33y. It could be x plus 33y. Tricked you, right? Equals 77y squared. And so does anyone guess what we would do after that? What? Well, we would rewrite x plus 33y equals 77y squared. 77 times 77y times 77. And y. No. 77y, times 77y. And so, when we add those numbers, just take a look at what this is going to do. We have a calculator, and we're multiplying 77 times 77. And our answer is x plus 33y equals 5,929y. You see why this is more trickier? Now, we have to divide 33y to 33y and 33y over 5,529y. Okay, now we are going to divide what is 5,929 divided by 33. And so the answer is really confusing. We have 179.66607. So, to round up in this equation, we have multiple digits that are being added up. So, this is the answer. 179.66664 5. We have sixes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 179.6666667. And if we round that up, what is the really big answer here? Okay? This is where it gets tricky. So, we have the 7 can change the 6, cross it out, and that becomes 7. So it would be 17,179. This is the answer. 17 equals 17,977. That is the answer. And so this is what you guys are going to be working on this weekend. I told you this would be much more harder. Next time when a new teacher comes, you're going to be subtracting 5,000 times 5,000 times 5,000 times 5,000, or 15 times 15 times 15. You get why this is much more harder than the last one. Guess why this one is much more harder? Yes, Calvin. Because you're not only doing double numbers, but you're having a square. Yes, that is correct. You see, you're having a square moment. See, look at this problem. Look at this problem. Okay? Look at this problem. And you can see the facts here. Not only was this a harder subject to add, but you can see that is a big number. And so, technically, if we think about it, it's 17,977. Why? That is really the answer for this problem. And so we have x equals 17,977y. That is the answer. And we are out of time. And guys, I'm going to miss you guys very much. And you guys have been very great students over this semester and into the many few years I've taught you. But it is my honor to introduce to you Pauline Yellows. Hello, class. I will be your new teacher. And I will be so proud. Mr. Orange, I know your class will miss you terribly. And you have been like a very, very good teacher. So I want to thank you. Kids, is there anything you want to say to your teacher? We love you, Mr. Orange. Yeah, we'll miss you. Yeah. Well, class, I will miss you too. And remember, solve this, work hard. I'm very proud of the work we've done. See ya. Well, class, first thing tomorrow, I'll be your new teacher. Remember to study what Mr. Orange signed. This problem, we will send an email to your parents of you doing 2 problems to solve for homework tonight before you come in tomorrow. Understand? Yes, Mr. Yellow. Yes, Mr. Yellows. Okay. If it doesn't get done, then you're going to have extra work the next day. But anyways, do your best and we'll see you tomorrow. I can't believe Mr. Orange is leaving. I know. Tell me about it. It just doesn't make any sense. He was such a great teacher. And sometimes we lose great teachers once in a while. Yeah, you have a point. Yeah. See you tomorrow, Calvin. See ya. Hey, by the way, Calvin. Yeah. Is it true you lost your sister? Yeah. I am so, yeah. But you're still living with your foster parents. Yeah, they're at work. They don't think it was my fault. Gotcha. Well, good to see you. We should get together sometime. Yeah. Yeah. Catch up. Just figure out something we could do together. Yeah. Okay, well, um, can I come over today? Yeah, my foster parents don't have a problem with it. Yes!